हरी राजा राजा हा हा हरी राजा हा
नमस्कार मित्रो, रामकृष्ण हरी. हरिकीर्तन प्रबोधिनीच्या कीर्तन प्रशिक्षण कार्यशाळेत आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
हरी जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी टाळ जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी हरी जय जय राम कृष्ण
आपल्याला जर कीर्तनकार व्हायचं असेल, वारकरी पद्धतीचे अथवा नारदीय पद्धतीचे कीर्तन प्रशिक्षण घ्यायचे असेल तर आमच्या www.learnkirtan.co.in या संकेतस्थळाला भेट द्या आणि ऑनलाईन प्रशिक्षण अभ्यासक्रमाला प्रवेश घ्या. धन्यवाद. आपुला तो एक देव करुणी घ्यावा, तिने विन जीवा सुख नोहे. येरती माईके दुःखाची जनिती, नाही आद्यंती अवसान. अविनाश करी आपुल्या ऐसे, लावी मना पिसे गोविंदाचे. तुका म्हणे का मरणेची सरे, उत्तम चिवरे कीर्ती मागे. विठ्ठल विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल
पांडुरंगा करू प्रथम नमन, दुसरे चरण संतांची आय. संत कृपादानी कथेचा विस्तारू, बाबाजी सद्गुरु दास तुका. This is the composition called as Abhanga by the great poet and well-known Sant Tukaram, who is famous as Jagadguru Tukoba Rai, the real master of the universe. This well-known composition has 4 verses or charan. Vithala Vithala
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल
This early incarnation of Sant Tukaram Maharaj has taken place to show the way of self-realization to the human beings for their salvation. Maharaj says, we have left Vaikuntha and come to this earth to show the way of living the ideal life as practiced and taught by the earlier sages. The welfare of all the living beings is the main purpose of our life mission. You know? आम्ही वैकुंठवासी आलो याच कारणासी, बोली रे जे ऋषी साच भावे वर्ताया. But what exactly is the welfare in this Abhanga? Sant Tukaram has mentioned 2 important points. You know, आपुला तो एक देव करुणी घ्यावा, तेने विन जीवा sukh nohe. What are the 2 points? Point number 1. You should have to establish permanent bond with the God. And the point number 2 is, unless the above task is accomplished, you cannot attain the state of permanent happiness. तेने विना जीवा सुख नव्हे. विठ्ठल विठ्ठल.
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल
You know, happiness is only the state of mind, and it is not permanent. It is temporary in nature. Life is a mixture of feelings. Sometimes you are happy and sometimes you are sad. You know, a man brought his son to a Baba, a master, and said, Baba, my son is completely wasted. Tell him to get rid of all his bad habits. Then Baba asked, are you drinking alcohol? Son said, no, master. Then Baba asked, so, are you gambling? Son says, no, master. Then Baba thought, then you are only going to dance bar. Son said, no, master. Baba said to his father, there is nothing wrong with your child. The father said, there is only one evil. Oh, master, he never speaks the truth. Baba understood everything. And he said, oh boy, don't ruin your life. Oh, my son, tobacco and alcohol causes cancer. Gambling destroys the life. Dance bar causes diseases. AIDS occurs. Listen to me. Leave it all. Boy says, so what happens when I leave it all? Baba smiled and said, oh, you can live 100 years healthy life, total healthy. Boy said, I don't smoke cigarettes, do not drink alcohol, don't go to the dance bar, and I don't want to have fun with girlfriends. So, what about living 100 years life? I can't live a day without it. Who made you master? Baba is still looking for the answer. This happens. Vithala, Vithala, So, why aren't you always happy? The answer of this question is again in the form of new question. Why do you become sad? Because you have established the bond with such things which are not permanent in nature. These things are responsible for your sadness and sorrow. एरती माईके दुःखाची जनिती नाही आद्यंती अवसान. All these things are perishable in nature, and you feel them due to Maya, the illusion. All the things which you can see with your bare eyes are unreal and perishable. You will say, how can it be? Because you can touch it, you can feel it, and all these things are tangible. But you don't know it is mere a temporary state. With the passage of time, all these things will disappear and get destroyed. Nahi adyanti avasan. Vithala, Vithala.
Kala, 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 kala,
The whole world changes in the every fraction of second. The world you are watching now and the world you are going to watch in the next second is not as same as it was in the last second. It is the new and never before world. Uncountable changes have been taken place in the fraction of second. So, it is totally a new world every time. It is in the changing phase all the time. In every second you become older than you were before. You are not the same person who was there before a second. So, what is permanent and unchangeable? It is the God. Only God.
kala, 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 kala,
It is quite surprising, but true. In past, present and future, the God remains the same. Nothing is added to it and nothing is deducted from it. There is nothing other than the God in the whole universe, so nothing can be added. The God is non-separable. It is only one, so you cannot deduct anything from it. So, it is called as Satchidananda Ghanaswarup Paramatma. Avinashi Paramatma. If you have belief in God, then He can make you like Him. Avinashakari Apuliya aise. Avinashakari Apuliya aise. Lavi mana pise Govinda che. Vithala, Vithala,
kala, 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 kala.
In our sacred books, there are 4 types of salvation mentioned, but only one is the real salvation, which is called as Sayujjata. As Salokta, Samipata and Sarupta, you can see yourself different from the God. In Salokata, you can stay with the God in His supreme abode. In Samipata, God keeps you near Him. And in Sarupata, you can be alike the God. But in all these salvations, God is Sagun and not Nirgun, as the God is not formless, which is the true characteristic of God. In Sayujjata, you will become non-existent, as there exists only God. So it is the real mukti or salvation. In what context the material world and the God are different? In the past, there were no world, and in the future, there will be no world. You can see and experience the world only in present tense, so that you think it is real. Surprisingly, you cannot see or experience the God like these material things. Some people have doubt about the existence of the God, but only God is real. If you have belief in God, then He can make you like Him. I told, Avinashakari Apuliya aise. Lavimana pise Govinda che. To become like Him. This word like is also not accurate. Not to become like God, but to become God is the sole purpose of your birth in human form. You have got this form after wandering in 84 lakh yonis, means different forms as a creature other than human being. It is impossible to attain salvation in any yoni other than human being. There are certain exceptions to this, like Gajendra Moksha. But everybody is not lucky like the king of elephant. They miss the golden chance. Lord Krishna has said, those who are not sincerely interested in this dharma return to the path of mortal existence without attaining me. When I assume the human form, deluded fools do not know me as the Lord of all beings, not knowing my transcendental nature. With deluded hopes, deluded actions, and deluded knowledge perverted, they take shelter in the demonic, wicked, and deluded nature. So it is your duty to get rid of this cycle of birth and death, and it can be done through bhakti. And what is bhakti? It is Nama Sankirtana. Lord Krishna has said, the great men who have partaken divine nature worship me without thinking of anything else, knowing me as the primal being and the inexhaustible. Those who worship me always without thinking of anything else, and those who are constantly engaged in devotion, I consider it as my personal responsibility to look after their personal and spiritual welfare. So, always singing about me, striving with determination, offering me obeisances, by devotees worship me continuously. Become my duty. Worship me only and offer your respects to me. By constantly repeating my name in your heart, you will definitely come to me. So, Lavi Manapise Govinda Che. Vithala, Vithala.
Vithala, Vithala, Vithala.
So, be mad and immerse yourself in memorizing God. You have to enchant only His name. Lord Krishna has said, I am equally situated in all beings. There is none who is particularly hateful to me or dearer to me, but those who worship me with devotion, I am in them and they are in me. So, what is the benefit of Nama Sankirtana? Nama Sankirtana. तुका म्हणे एका मरणेची सरे उत्तमची उरे कीर्ती मागे. उत्तमची उरे कीर्ती मागे. The benefit is that it will be your last birth and the last death. You are not going to take another birth after this birth. So, this vicious cycle comes to the halt, comes to the end. You will leave the world not to come again, but what you left behind is the fame. Like the entire famous sant, you will be remembered for always. Maharaj Jnaneshwara Mauli, Jnanaraja Mauli Tukaram, Jnanaraja Mauli Tukaram.